everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Imagine a new LinkedIn lead is generated in your business and that lead is automatically added into your CRM application and you have built this connection, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. Yes, all of this is possible with the help of this amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Connect. Using Pabbly Connect, I've created this connection and in this video I will give you a step-by-step guide and you can also build this automation for your business today itself. Okay, first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. I will generate a test lead using LinkedIn lead ads and then check whether automatically that lead is created as a contact into my SalesMate CRM application or not. Okay, so over here this is my test lead campaign that I'm running using LinkedIn lead ads. Now to generate a test lead, I will click on this apply now button. It is asking for my email address, for which I'll write it as test3452@pabblytunes.com. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy mobile number. Okay, so I've added the phone number. First name is Pabbly, last name is Subscription Billing Management Service, and the company name is Magnet Brains. These are the pre-written details as this is a test campaign that I'm running right now through LinkedIn lead ads. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this submit button. As soon as I've done that, it says information sent to Pabbly. That means now the test lead has been generated. Now as this test lead has been generated, let me open my SalesMate account. This is the contacts page. I'll refresh this contacts page from here within few seconds when the refreshment is done. And as soon as the page is refreshed, you will see right over here a new contact has been added into my SalesMate account. The name is Pabbly Subscription Billing. Let me open this contact. The name is Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. This was the name of the lead that was generated through LinkedIn lead ads. I've already showed you the name. Over here you can see the email is test3452@pabblytunes.com. This is the email address that we have entered and this was the same phone number you can see right here. Okay, the type is lead. So as now this lead has been added as a contact automatically into my SalesMate account, my CRM application. This is how this automation is going to work in real time. And now let's build this connection without wasting any further time. Simply open a new tab and browse www.pabbly.com/connect and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now over here on the landing page, you will find two options, sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. Now over here, if you want to purchase the plan after exploring the amazing features of Pabbly Connect and you want instant discounts on the purchase, simply use the code that you can see on the screen right over here, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on your yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly. Okay, so now over here, before we sign into our Pabbly Connect account, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now, Pabbly Community is an exclusive space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share your ideas, feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business today itself. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. So for that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Let me sign into my Pabbly Connect account directly from here. I'm already a user. All Pabbly app section is going to appear. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this access now button and Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to build a new workflow, a new automation, click on this create workflow button. Now you will see over here there are two types of workflows that you can create. New beta, that is more modern, faster and flexible, or the classic with stable and familiar approach. I will select the classic version from here and for the name of my workflow, I will give it as Sync LinkedIn leads to your CRM. Okay, for the folder, these are the folders from which I'll select the workflows folder and click on this create button and the workflow is going to be created. Now over here on the screen, you will find there are two steps in front of you. One is over here trigger, other one is action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action follows whatever trigger is commanding. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action steps. Okay, so as the trigger is going to be done, actions are going to follow the steps simultaneously. Okay, let me set up my trigger right over here. In which my trigger application, I will select it as LinkedIn right here. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through LinkedIn, this trigger should capture the response of that and the event is going to be lead notifications. Okay, click on this connect button. Over here, if you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one and then simply I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn button. Now I have to enter my email address and the password, so let me do that. and click on the sign in button. And as soon as I will do that, automatically my LinkedIn is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. Okay. As now the connection is done, now we need to select the sponsor account with the help of which we are running our campaign through LinkedIn. My sponsor account is in the name of what? Let me show you. My sponsor account is in the name of Pabbly ad account right here. So I will select that account from the drop down and then simply click on the save and send test request button after selecting the sponsored account. Okay. And as you will do that, it says waiting for response. So now to check whether LinkedIn is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I will simply generate a test lead using LinkedIn lead ads and then check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the test lead been generated or not. So let me open my test campaign that I'm running, and you can see this is the test campaign that I have. Now to generate a test lead, I will click on this apply now button. And as I will do that, firstly it is asking for my email address and the phone number. You will see the first name, last name and the company name are already pre-written, as this is a test campaign that I'm running. But if you have a paid campaign with LinkedIn, the customers or the leads will get the chance to enter their details instead of the pre-filled data right here. Okay. I will simply add in the email address, for which I'll write it as demo3452@pabblytudes.com. Okay. And for the phone number, I will enter a dummy mobile number and then simply click on this submit button. As soon as I'm going to click on this submit button, you will see it says information sent to Pabbly. If I will open my workflow and scroll down, it will take few seconds for the response to arrive in the trigger. So you might need to wait for few seconds for the response to arrive. Okay, so let me wait for the response. And within few seconds, a response has arrived. The email address is demo3452@pabblytudes.com, the same phone number. First name Pabbly, last name Subscription Billing Management Service, and the company name Magnet Brains. These were the pre-written details that I've already showed you while filling the lead form. Okay. So as now the response has been captured over here in the trigger, this means that LinkedIn lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let us add this lead into our CRM application, and for the CRM application, I am using SalesMate in my business. Okay, so let us set up the action step, in which for the action application, I will select over here as what? SalesMate. And the event is going to be create contact. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection. I will add a new one. For that, we have to provide the host name, session token and the account URL. Firstly, for the account URL and the host name, go back to your SalesMate account. In this URL itself, this is the entire account URL. So I'll paste it directly right over here, remove the slash, and you can see after the HTTPS, this is the host name. So I'll simply paste this host name right here. To have the session token, log into your SalesMate account, go to profile section and go to my account section. Okay, then go to access key part. This is the token. Copy this token, paste over here in this token field and click on this save button. This is how you build the connection between SalesMate and Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now after creating the connection, we need to enter the first name, last name, phone number, email of the lead that is generated through LinkedIn lead ads, as I want to create that lead as a contact. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. As soon as you will click on this field, previous step is going to appear. Click on it. And here is the first name of the contact that I want to create. So I'll select the data of the leads. So I'll select the data of the first name of my contact. That's my lead's name from my previous response. Now as I've selected this data from the previous response, this data has been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of the mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the last name, I will map the data of the phone number and the email address. So let me do that. It is asking for the company name, which I do not want, so I will simply select the SalesMate sample company right over here. For the phone number, I will map the data of the phone number. I will only fill in the details that are required to me. If you require any of them, you can definitely add the details. If you have to select the type, I will enter the type over here as lead. So I'm going to enter the type as lead from this. Email opt-out, I will select true. SMS opt-out, I will select over here as true. Currency, I will write the currency as INR right here. Then it is asking for all the other details which I do not want. So I will simply skip the part and simply click on this save and send test request button. Status comes as success. That's a positive response. If I will refresh the contacts page from here of my SalesMate account, you will see the new contact has been added over here. So let me open this newly added contact right here. You can see the name is Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. This was the name of the LinkedIn lead. You can see first name, last name, email demo3452@pabblytudes.com, the same phone number, type is written over here as lead. Okay. So as now this contact, the lead LinkedIn lead has been added as a contact into my CRM SalesMate application. This means the connection has now been successfully created, and now whenever in your business a new LinkedIn lead will be generated, that lead will be created as a contact in your CRM application. That is my SalesMate account. Okay, so this is how simple it is to create the connection between these two applications. So now if you want to use this template that I've created of this workflow, you can check out the workflow link in the description section below. Use it for your business today itself. Okay, if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. If you want to purchase the plan of Pabbly, use the code given on the screen. Simply purchase the plan Pabbly today itself, get the instant discounts. This code is specially for you, so go ahead and use it. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.